Paresh Pandya Creative Line. You can also follow us on Instagram, that is Paresh Pandya Creative Line, and you can do email on paresh.creativeline@gmail.com. Hi guys, once again we'll start with Excel. Today I'm going to show you many shortcut commands जो आपको डे टू डे वर्किंग में रिपोर्टिंग के लिए या नॉर्मल रूटीन वर्क के लिए बहुत ही यूजफुल होने वाले हैं. So let's start with the commands. So control down arrow if you want to directly go to your last row. Same way control up arrow directly to first row. Control right arrow directly to last column, and control left arrow is for back to A1 cell, right? Now here suppose I want to switch between two sheets. Now you can see यहाँ पे sheet 1 है, मुझे sheet 2 पे जाना है. So control page down and control page up if you want to switch between the two sheets, right? Now same way if I want to select the column, so all control space bar if you want to select a column, control plus space bar, and if you want to select a row, shift plus space bar, right? If you want to insert a row between in between rows, so control plus, right, and F4 is for continuation. Same way if you want to delete, control minus and do F4 is for repetition. Now here shift 11 if I want a sheet between, so shift 11 for inserting a new sheet. Alt EL if you want to delete the sheet. Okay. Now here if I want a total, alt equal to is for sum, and if you want to repeat all this stuff, so either double click on this, or you can do select this, do control C and control D is for repeat your formulas. Same way you can see here, suppose my first row is having a formula, so I can select by this way, control shift and right arrow to select all the columns, and then just double click on this. Same way suppose I want to select my heading, so control shift and down arrow to select all the headings, then do control B is for bold, control I is for italic, and control U is for underline, right? Now suppose I want to hide a particular column, so what you have to do, control space bar to select, control space bar to select column, and do control 0 is to hide columns, and do control shift 0 to unhide columns. So after unhide आपको क्या करना है, सिर्फ आपको डबल क्लिक करना है, so वो unhide हो जाएगा. Same way if you want shift plus space bar to select row, you can use shift and arrow for multiple row selection also. Control plus 9 to hide, right? Then what you can do, you can select again full row with shift another row and do control shift 9 to unhide, right? So guys, hope you like this video. Thank you very much.